Welcome to this complete Stavanger Norway travel guide. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Norway, Stavanger is a vibrant city brimming with natural beauty, history and culture. From the breathtaking fjords to the cobbled streets of Old Stavanger, every corner promises a unique adventure. Stavanger is a place where ancient Norse traditions meet modern Norwegian lifestyle, creating a perfect blend that's utterly captivating. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, or an art lover, Stavanger has something for you. Let's dive into the top 10 places you must visit in Stavanger. We begin our journey with the iconic Pulpit rock, or Preikestolen. Nestled in the splendid heart of Rogaland County, this massive cliff towers 604 meters above the Lysefjord. A scenic trail marked by nature's beauty leads you to this majestic spot. The hike is moderately challenging, taking around 2 to 4 hours depending on your pace. But the reward? Oh, it's worth every step. The vast flat surface of Pulpit Rock, nearly 25 by 25 meters square, offers a panoramic view that seems to stretch forever. Stand at the edge and let the winds whisper ancient tales. Gaze at the deep blue waters of the fjord, cradled by emerald cliffs, and feel the grandeur of nature. Witness the play of light and shadow as the sun and clouds dance over the landscape. Pulpit Rock is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey, a story waiting to be lived. This place will literally take your breath away. Next up, we have the majestic Lysefjord. Carved by glaciers during the Ice Age, Lysefjord stretches over 25 miles long, slicing its way through the rugged landscape. It's not just a fjord, it's a living testament to the raw, untamed beauty that nature can craft. The fjord's towering cliffs, some reaching over 3,000 feet high, are a sight to behold. They form a dramatic backdrop against the sapphire waters of the fjord. Picture that, if you will, it's like Mother Nature herself painted this masterpiece. Now let's talk about the activities. Lysefjord offers a wealth of outdoor adventures. You can explore the fjord by boat, soaking up the stunning vistas from a unique vantage point. Or if you fancy a bit of a challenge, lace up your hiking boots and trek the trails that crisscross the surrounding landscapes. Whether you're a fan of leisurely boat tours or adrenaline-pumping hikes, you'll find something to love here. Lysefjord is truly a testament to Norway's natural beauty. Let's step back in time at Gamle Stavanger. Imagine a place where the whispering echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the vibrant hum of the present. Welcome to the heart of Old Stavanger, a picturesque area known for its beautifully preserved wooden houses. Each of these structures, over 200 in number, stands as a testament to the city's rich maritime heritage. Now let your mind wander through the quaint, cobbled streets as they weave their way through the district, creating a labyrinth of history and charm. These paths have borne witness to the ebb and flow of countless seasons, each stone carrying a tale of the times gone by. But Gamle Stavanger is more than just a collection of old houses and cobbled streets. It's a living, breathing emblem of Stavanger's history, a place where the past is not just remembered, but lived and experienced. So come wander these streets, explore these houses. It's like taking a stroll through history. Now, let's shift gears and visit the Norwegian Petroleum Museum. Located in the heart of Stavanger, this museum offers a deep dive into Norway's oil industry. The exhibits here are far from static displays of rusty machinery. Instead, they're interactive and immersive, inviting you to explore the world of oil extraction from drilling to production. From models of offshore platforms to the intricate details of an oil pipeline, the museum gives you a hands-on experience of the oil industry's evolution. You can even step into the shoes of an oil worker in the offshore simulator, where you'll get a taste of life on an oil rig. But it's not all about the technicalities. The museum also delves into the economic, environmental, and political implications of the industry, showing how the black gold has shaped the country's fortunes. And for a bit of fun, there's a film showing about exploration, complete with special effects that might just make you feel like you're on an oil rig during a storm. A fascinating insight into Norway's oil story. Next, we visit the monumental Swords in Rock. This towering installation, known as Sverd i Fjell, is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Planted firmly into the rocky coast of Hafrsfjord, the three colossal bronze swords stand tall, symbolizing peace, unity, and freedom. Each of these swords has a tale to tell, a tale steeped in Norway's rich Viking history. The tallest sword represents the victorious King Harald Fairhair, who united Norway under one banner in the late 9th century. The other two? They symbolize the vanquished kings, a poignant reminder of the battles fought and the peace that ultimately prevailed. The sight of these swords, rising mightily against the backdrop of the fjord, is a vivid representation of a bygone era, an era of fierce warriors and legendary sagas. A visit to this historic site is like stepping into a time capsule, a journey back to the times of the Vikings, an impressive tribute to Norway's Viking history. Now brace yourself for the thrilling Cathedral. This breathtaking spectacle of nature is a boulder wedged in a mountain crevice in the Cathedral mountain in Rogaland, Norway, suspended over a precipice of nearly 1,000 meters. It's a sight that's sure to set your heart racing. But it's not just the boulder that's remarkable. The hike to reach Cathedral is an adventure in itself. With an approximate duration of 5 to 6 hours, the trail offers a challenging yet rewarding journey, weaving through rugged terrain, steep inclines, and astonishing views. And then, the reward. The view from the top is simply mesmerizing, a panorama that's worth every step of the hike. From up here, you'll get a bird's-eye view of the stunning Lysefjord, carved by glaciers over thousands of years, a sight that will leave you in awe of the incredible power of nature. For the brave-hearted, this is a must-visit. Next, we explore the serene Stavanger Cathedral. Nestled in the hustle and bustle of Stavanger city, this cathedral is a testament to Norway's rich history and architectural prowess. Built in the early 12th century, it is the oldest cathedral in the country that has retained its original structure. The architecture is a fascinating blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles, reflecting the changes in architectural preferences over centuries. The intricate stone carvings on the exterior depict biblical scenes that have stood the test of time, while the inside is equally captivating. The beautiful interiors, adorned with an impressive altarpiece and a pulpit carved from oak, provide a peaceful retreat for both locals and tourists alike. The cathedral's history is as compelling as its architecture. Surviving fires, restorations, and the passage of time, it has been a constant in Stavanger's ever-changing landscape. Whether you're seeking spiritual solace or an appreciation for history and architecture, Stavanger Cathedral is a must-visit. A peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. Let's indulge in the beauty of flora and fauna. This gem is a feast for the senses. A tropical oasis tucked away in the cool climes of Norway. It's not just a garden, but an experience that seamlessly blends nature's bounty with human creativity. A boat trip takes you to this island paradise where the air is filled with the intoxicating scent of thousands of blossoming flowers. The gardens are a riot of color, featuring exotic plants from all over the world. It's a spectacular sight. The botanical artistry on display here is nothing short of breathtaking. As you stroll through these beautiful gardens, you'll discover a unique blend of tropical and Nordic flora. From the towering palm trees to the delicate alpine flowers, each plant has been carefully selected and nurtured. The tranquility and beauty of flora and fauna is a testament to the power of nature and the magic of human imagination. It's truly a tropical paradise in Norway. Now we explore the vibrant Ovre Homegate. Picture a rainbow splashed onto a city street. That's Ovre Homegate for you, a lively canvas of color in the heart of Stavanger. With buildings painted in every shade of the spectrum, this street is an artist's dream come true. But it's not just about the colors. The true charm of Ovre Homegate lies in its infectious energy. Every corner bustles with cafes and boutiques that add to the unique vibe of the street. These aren't your run-of-the-mill coffee shops, mind you. Each one has its own character, boasting an eclectic mix of food, music, and culture that reflects the diversity of Stavanger itself. So, whether you're sipping on a latte, window shopping, or simply strolling down the street, you're in for a sensory delight. The vibrant hues, the aroma of fresh coffee, the murmur of conversation. Ovre Homegate is a symphony that plays to all your senses. A colorful treat for your senses. Finally, we visit the Stavanger Art Museum, a gem tucked away in the picturesque city of Stavanger. This museum is a beacon of creativity and inspiration, housing an impressive collection of Norwegian and international art. Every corner is a testament to human imagination. The museum's collection spans several centuries, offering a rich journey through different artistic periods. From classical paintings to contemporary installations, the exhibits are as diverse as they are intriguing. Each piece tells its own unique story, inviting you to dive into the minds of the artists. Wandering through the museum, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of color, texture, and emotion. The museum's location further enhances this experience. Nestled amidst lush greenery, it offers a tranquil setting that complements the vibrant energy of the artwork. But what truly sets the Stavanger Art Museum apart is its ability to make art accessible and engaging for everyone. It's not just a museum, it's an experience, a feast for art lovers. So there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Stavanger, Norway. From the breathtaking view at Pulpit Rock, the serene Lissefjord, to the historical beauty of Old Stavanger and the enchanting Stavanger Cathedral. Spark your curiosity at the Norwegian Petroleum Museum, marvel at the swords in rock and dare the Kjerag Bolten. Stroll down the vibrant Overholm Gate and unwind at Flor and Fjær. Finally, stimulate your senses at the Stavanger Art Museum. Pack your bags and get ready to explore the beautiful city of Stavanger. Safe travels.